So, my name is Rainforest. Well, not really. I don't have a name, but but I am a light side Jedi, 95.75% and over 500 games played, and I'm talking the Jedi code, light side code. So there are ants on this thing that I want to sit down on and to guard their lives. I am going to see if I can use it this way. And, okay. So, yeah, kind of. But, for the Jedi, I am going to do that. This is my food. So the Jedi code says not, the light side Jedi code says not to murder any life. So I am eating plants. Mmm. 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 So,